to show you how to wash your hand properly. Let's go! Your dry hand. Before that, you need to wipe it first, already wet, and then you need to take the soap. Okay, now here is the soap. You need to rub 1, 2, 3, and then you need to open your hands wide. 1, 2, 3. Done, and then you put here and like this. Count, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Another hand. 1, 2, 3. And like this. Put your hands like this and do this. Rub 1, 2, 3. And then another hand. 1, 2, 3. And then you put your hands like this and like this. 1, 2, 3. Another hand. 1, 2, 3. And put your thumbs like this and do this. 1, 2, 3. Another hand. 1, 2, 3. Done. And do this. 1, 2, 3. Another hand. 1, 2, 3. Done. And open again. You place it very carefully until there is no soap again inside the finger. And then you try first. Wow, it's clean already. That's all! Yay! Now it's time for you to make video like us.